Hey, what's up guys? JB here. So we're gonna be doing some unboxing. I just ordered some equipment. This equipment is gonna be used for at-home workouts. So for those of you guys who are training with me online, you will be ordering this equipment. So let's open the box. Let's get into it.
All right, let's see what we got in here. So we got bands. So we'll be doing a lot of banded workouts for those of you guys who don't have dumbbells and all of that equipment, which is expensive. So this is easy to get. It's only going to cost you anywhere between $40 and $60. So these are the resistance bands. Let's check out these bands. All right, so here's what you'll get. You'll get the ankle straps. You'll get the anchor. So they're both in there. I'll get those out in a second. So you also get a WHATAFIT bag. Put your equipment in so it's easy to travel with if you need to travel, or if you want to take your equipment outside and do outside workouts. So you'll have that. So it comes with all these bands. These bands are different sizes. So, for example, the red one's 50 pounds. So this one's 50 pounds. And then the black one is 40 pounds. And then the green one is 30 pounds. The blue one is 20 pounds. And the yellow is 10 pounds. So these will be for resistance. So the cool thing about these is that the bands, you can, it has attachments, so you can attach handles or different things like that onto the bands. So that's really cool. That makes the exercises very versatile that we'll be doing. So that's good. And the anchor will allow you to set the level, which I'll do a separate video showing you guys how to use the bands, but the anchor allows you to put or place the anchor at maybe a high level on the door, a mid-level, or a low level, so that you can do different exercises, maybe exercises down below like rows or curls, midway, maybe those would be rows, or chest press or something like that, or up high would maybe be like some extensions for triceps and things like that. And also comes with, this will be really good, some mini bands. Apologize. I'm using one hand to record and one hand to open this up with. So yeah, here's the mini bands. So these would be really good for lower body exercises, agilities, and we can even use them, put them on the wrist and get some upper body work in as well. So you'll have 4 different mini bands, which will also have different levels of resistance. For example, this one is level 3, and the black one is level 5, so that's going to be the heaviest. This one's level 4, and then there's one more. This is the yellow one. This one's level 2. So you'll have those as well. All right, so there's one more band. This is level 1. This is the light one, the blue one. So 5 mini bands. You have 2 ankle straps. So you ladies, you can work your glutes by attaching this attachment to one of the bands here, and then attaching that band to the anchor, putting the anchor in the door, and you can train glutes. Those of you looking to train glutes. So yeah, again, let's go over everything. So we got the 5, it comes with the 5 mini bands. You get 2 ankle attachments. This is your anchor that goes in the door. There's also 2 handles, which are already attached to the bands. And then you have black, your red, your green, your yellow, and your blue. So 5 different levels of bands. You got your bag that you can put your equipment in. And also, let's see what else we have. There should be a workout somewhere. Let's give you some. Here we go. It's got a workout pamphlet just to kind of show you some ideas of exercises that you can do. And you won't have to, those of you training with me, you won't have to worry about this. This is good to have also if you want to do some additional exercises, but I'll have everything that you'll need will be in Trainerize, or you'll be doing the workouts with me live. So you'll have everything that you need, but this is also great to have also so that you can do additional exercises and workouts at home. And it also comes with, so this is for the mini bands. These are once again, these are the mini bands. These are workouts that you can do with the mini bands. And then this booklet is for the resistance bands, which are these guys. So there's workouts in here. It's going to show you how to place your where and how to place your anchor, which I'll do tutorial videos for that also, but just so you have it, it'll be in the booklet. How to install the anchor, different workouts you can do, the basics, and all of that. So yeah, this is unboxing of the WHATAFIT resistance band bundle set. So once again, you'll pay no more than $40 to $60 for all of this, which is everything you need to train all the muscles properly at home without dumbbells or barbells or actual weights. So, all right guys, so that's it. That's me unboxing the WHATAFIT resistance band set. For those of you guys training with me online, don't worry, everything you need will be in Trainerize. So there will be videos of me explaining how to set up the anchor, how to use the resistance bands. If you're in my programs, then there'll be demonstrations of how to do whatever exercises that are in your program. Or if you're participating in my live workouts, then I'll be there with you live explaining how to do those exercises. So yeah, looking forward to helping you guys stay on track. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, leave some feedback below, follow, subscribe. Also, I'll post the link in the description to where you can order your bands. I literally ordered mine yesterday and they got here today. So you can do 1-day delivery, or you can do the standard, which is free, which is 3 to 5 business days. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have. Make sure you guys stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.